Hey, welcome back to Abundance Training. In this video, I'm going to teach you one of the biggest secrets that I've learned that helped me attract hundreds of thousands of dollars to me every year, and doing it away without working hard. A lot of people think that you need a degree or you need to have a lot of education or you need to be very smart in order to create abundance in your life or to create, some really good wealth in your life. But I'm going to teach you a big teaching that I've learned that I really think can help you, 10x your income, 10x all the abundance that's coming into your life. And there's two ways to learn about abundance and how the universe really works. I know that's a big mystery and I know that's a big claim, but there's two ways of where they study the nature of things. And the first way is scientific, and the second way is theology, so through religion and through science. And both of these ways could agree. Science will say everything is energy. And if like all these shelves back here, when you look at them, you think like they're still, but they're not. If you look at them in a microscope, they're actually vibrating with, these atoms, these protons, electrons, and these quarks. And so the science have known that with thought, that the things you look at change when you look at them differently. And so everything, the chair I'm sitting on, my cell phone that I'm talking into, everything is vibrating. So everything is actually energy. And that goes from the air that we breathe, the clouds, the stars, the sun, the earth, the dirt. The thing you're trying to manifest is vibrating, and everything's vibrating at a certain level. They also realize, just like a frequency on a radio, when you turn the dial, an AM radio station will vibrate, and you'll only hear what's on that vibration that you're tuned into. When you turn the dial to a different vibration, a different frequency, you get the songs and the radio station on that frequency. And the same thing happens with our good thoughts and bad thoughts. We vibrate at different levels, and when you manifest good things in your life, it's actually because you're vibrating at a level of love, of good joy, of happiness. And when you're angry, it's a low vibration, right? So you want to be aware of that. The second thing with theology, they say everything is creator, everything is God. God is everything and all things and everywhere, in the clouds and the skies and the sun and the stars and the earth. And so one area says everything is energy, the other one says everything is creator. And if that's true, that means yourself, you're also energy. You are vibrating. That means on this side, you are also part of creator. Creator is in you. And when I learned that, I realized, man, I have the power of the universe, knowing that I am part of creator. That means I have some of that power to manifest and create the life that I want, that I could legit program the life that I want. And so I have to be very in control of my thoughts, because your thoughts is how you communicate with this energy, or how you communicate with creator. And it's with that image of your thoughts and how you speak. Those two things combined are sending instructions out to this energy and out to this creator force that's everywhere in all things. And Wallace D. Wattles from The Science of Getting Rich talks about this invisible stuff, thinking stuff. When you think upon it, it creates the form that you are thinking, or that you're impressing upon this invisible stuff. And it starts the manifestation process of it coming towards you. And so you have that power of a creator. You're literally a god. That's what it's saying. You're literally a god, and you could create the life and experience that you want in your reality. When I learned this, I became a world champion dancer. I manifested a $1.2 million home, free trips to go to Tokyo, London, Paris, all kinds of places, Toronto, Montreal. I manifested the life I want because I realized this. And that intuition that comes back to you, that's this energy or creator talking back to you on instructions that you gotta do in order to create that manifestation that you're thinking about, that you're visualizing. And you gotta be really diligent on that. So that's today's abundance training, is you are powerful than you can ever imagine.